long enough. Delete.
It's still going, numbnuts.
We're over here.
You gonna play down?
Mommy.
Put that thing away, you nerd.
No.
What the heck is that down?
Go drag that up.
Look, I'm doing Christmas shopping already. I just bought 3 of these. They're $5 a piece.
Oh, now you put it on me? Good God.
You gonna be alright there?
No, this is a
Tanya?
way to work out, man. Wear like a big jacket and jump rope. You can't jump rope with gross. I want to get one of those again.